Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Dead Rails, how to tame wolf. This video will teach you how to tame a wolf in Dead Rails. As you can see right there, there's wolves. To tame wolves in Dead Rails, you will need to kill zombies. And you will need to feed these zombies to a wolf to tame them. So let's grab our zombies. Tame some wolves. Go. Put one zombie up here. And right that. And this should work. Wolves should be tamed. Right? One wolf. Okay, wolf number one. And he needs to eat the zombie so we can tame him. Now we have tamed the zombie. As you can see, it's now fighting for us. And we're gonna feed another wolf. There we go. Now we have two. And we have three. We're gonna get a wolf. See, see. Eh, eh. There we go. As you can see, guys. We're gonna go back. We're gonna head back to the train. So let's check on our tamed wolves. Tame wolves. Oh, it's nighttime. Let's see if it's nighttime, and it's a full moon. Never mind, it's not. It's zombie day. Zombie day. We're gonna check on our tame wolves. You see right now, we're gonna put one. There we go. We have a tame wolf. Gonna put another one, and we're gonna put another one. We have three tame wolves with three dead zombies corpse. We just fed them. Oh, as you can see, they're protecting us. They're fighting off. As you can see, they're eating the zombie. So they're fighting. They're fighting for us. So, hey, I gotta go. They're killing the zombies. So there you go. That's how you tame a wolves in Roblox in Dead Rail. There. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.